In this quick video, I want to show you how to operate the Hoover Spotless Carpet Cleaner, portable for upholstery, car seats, carpet, whatever you have. It's pretty good to clean carpets with. I'm going to show you how to operate it. It's a fairly simple concept. So this particular one is a spotless self-cleaning, so it's supposedly supposed to clean the lines as it goes. And it's pretty easy concept. You have two tanks. You have where you put the clean tank with the solution. So basically we want to fill it up with a majority water, hot water, and then with a solution of carpet cleaning solution, and then the dirty water into this container. Now ideally, however much water you put in here should all empty into here, but you'll find that that's not necessarily true. You'll have a lot of water and moisture that remains on the upholstery, but the goal is to get all the clean water onto the carpet, cleaned, and the dirty with the water to go into your dirty compartment. All right, so you got two compartments here. The dirty will flush into this, and we can later drain that out. And then we're going to go ahead right now and put the clean water and solution into your container. Let's go ahead and do that now. Let's go ahead and fill our clean container with warm water and the solution. Now, you don't have to necessarily use Hoover carpet cleaner. I will put a link in the comment section where you can get it off of Amazon, but actually I'm going to be using Bizzle as of right now. And you do not have to specifically use Hoover. So here's my solution. One little container of this, which is approximately a tablespoon, would be good to fill it up to a small clean, but I want to do the whole carpet. So I'm going to put two solutions for the large. All right, so let's go ahead and put this into the Hoover. And that should just snap in there. As you can see, the solution will go from that little container there on the right, and it just fits into there perfectly and snaps on. All right, and then let's go ahead and plug it in. Okay, so with the hose, once we have it on, only thing we have to do is push this little trigger, and that's going to press the spray out. And we want to spray the surface. We're going to let go, and then we're going to drag this, and the vacuum automatically runs, so you don't have to press anything down. Let's get going. So I'm just going to press the button like this, and you'll see it'll spray. You see that? Once we get the surface wet, if you want to, you can let that sit for about 4 or 5 minutes, or you can just go ahead and start vacuuming. Spray. So see there, I'm pushing the trigger to spray. Let go, and then drag the brush. As you can see the dirt and the water going up through here. And it's going all the way through to the dirty. Right to here. See that? Alrighty, looks pretty good, as you can see there. Did a good job cleaning. And so next, it's time to empty the containers and the cleaning solution if you have any left. The only thing you have to do is just undo this and then pour it out. And with the dirty, as you can see, that pops out, and that shows the dirty solution. If you clip here, right there, if you push onto that, that will pop open, and then you can clean this right here as well. Sometimes here on the dirty portion here, lint and dirt will accumulate here, so you can take that out. The cleaning solution usually is pretty clean, but a lot of times there will be lint here. Now, FYI, on these spotless Hoovers, I have noticed that it's starting to leak here from the bottom, and that means that there's an O-ring in here that's going bad. The clean solution is actually going down here. So that's, to be honest with you, I've been more impressed with the bezel carpet cleaners compared to the Hoover, but if you got one, hey, use it. Let me know in the comment section how you like the Hoover, and make sure you subscribe.